This idea of water-sensitive urban design, where it starts is with a drained city, where the idea was to catch all the water at the surface, put it into pipes and send it away. And it was from a perspective of flood and sanitation. And so now I'm trying to learn more around how to connect my mahi as an engineer back to, in water-sensitive design practice, they'll call it mimicking natural hydrology, which is devoid of any wairoa or really sense of whakapapa to that way.
No.
And it being more than just that trickle of water you see at the surface. It's the rain falling from rangi. It's the puna that come out at the heads of streams that are only wet for part of the year. You know, those are all parts of our waterways. And so it's how we work with water to mimic natural systems, to work in harmony rather than just trying to dominate for our own purposes.